During any war, it's natural for certain materials to become scarce. And this was exactly the case in both World War I and II with steel. As each war dragged on, steel became unseen in civilian use as the military requisitioned it all to create the vital weapons, munitions, and vehicles needed on the front lines. As the First World War seemed to go on without an end in sight, steel started to become scarce, and the US had an idea. To counter the more important military uses for steel, US President Woodrow Wilson approved the construction of 24 concrete ships. After all, concrete was a solid material and very suitable ship-making material. With a budget of $50 million for the total fleet of ships, construction began in late 1917. However, by the time the war had ended, only 12 of the total 24 had been built. The 12 concrete ships were sold into civilian service. However, one of them, an oil tanker called the SS Palo Alto, was turned into a dance club and restaurant in Seacliff Beach, California. Even more interesting was the life of the steamer SS Sapona that was used as a floating liquor warehouse during Prohibition. During the Second World War, steel, once again, was a scarce commodity. In 1942, the U.S. Maritime Commission contracted McCloskey and Company of Philadelphia to build a fleet of 24 new concrete ships. After 20 years of breakthroughs in concrete technology, the new era of concrete ships was lighter, stronger and faster than their World War I predecessors. Each of the McCloskey ships was named after pioneers in the development and science of concrete.